Hello friends, welcome to SGT Classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about practice set 1.2 linear equations in two variables 10th Algebra Maharashtra State Board. Okay, so first is the activity, we'll solve that activity and then we'll solve the second question in which we are going to solve all the linear equations with the help of graphical method. So let's start. Okay, now see that first is given complete the following table to draw graph of equation. Okay, हम लोग को given table खाली complete करना है to draw a graph of the given equations. Okay, so now see that we have given xy. So this graph, this table is given. This table is given 3 and 0. 0 is not given, but this pair is given 0 and 3. Okay, we have taken these values. And now we have to find out this value only, second value. Okay, therefore we have x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore we have minus, okay, we'll get that minus 2 x, okay, y is 5, x plus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore 3 minus 5, okay, therefore x is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is first. Okay, for this is first for the first table. Okay, so we'll get all the pairs of values. Okay, just we have to fill this because these values are already given here in this pair. Okay, 0 0. Okay, only we have to find this value. Okay, now come to the second equation in which x minus y is equal to 4 is given. Okay, now see that, so this is given 0 minus 4 is given. We have to find first and second value. So x minus y is equal to 4. So 0 is given at the place of y, x minus 0 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. Okay, so this is the first condition. Okay, 0, so 4 0. Okay, second condition, come to second, x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, this is given. Now what we have to find out, minus 1 is given. Therefore minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to 4 plus 1. This minus will be plus, therefore minus y is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 5. Okay, so this is second. Okay, in this way when we do this calculation you will get the values, and the just one thing you have to do, that you have to fill that values in the given table at the blank places. Okay, at the box. Okay, so do this very carefully, it is very easy. So this is the question number 1, and now we are going to solve the question number 2 in which we will solve the linear equations in two variables by the graphical method. Okay, so we'll solve the first question by graphical method. First we'll find the values of x and y coordinate, and then we'll make the table and we put that values in the table, and finally we'll draw the graph and we'll get the solution. Okay, so let's start from the first question. In this, x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4 is given. Okay, so now first we will solve this x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, we have to consider any value for x or y to solve this. Okay, so first case, okay, x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore let we'll consider any one value. Let x is equal to, we'll take 3. Okay, so now see that x we have taken 3. Okay, so 3 is the first value. So now see that what is the equation, x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore 3 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the first. So we'll get 3 and 3. This is first. Okay, now consider second value. You consider any value, I am considering different value. Okay, y is equal to 3. If, okay, therefore if y is equal to 3, therefore x plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 3. Okay, therefore x plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. Okay, well both are same. Okay, so we'll not consider this value, we'll consider different value. Okay, so we want different value. So first we have obtained first value. So now we'll do the second value. Okay, so I will not take this 3, I am taking 4. Okay, so let x is equal to 4 for second. Okay, therefore x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore 4 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 4. So y is equal to 2. Okay, so 4 and 2. Okay, so 4 2 Okay, this is second value. Now come to the third. Okay, you have to write this in particular way. I'm just erasing because I have to draw the graph also. Just I'm showing how to find values. Okay, so let x is equal to 5. We'll take 5. So x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore 5 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 5. So y is equal to 1. Okay, so 5 and 1. Okay, 5 and 1. Okay, now we have to find the last value. We take maximum 4 values or minimum 3 values. We will get the graph, but we are taking 4 values. So now we'll take x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 2. Therefore x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore 2 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2. Therefore y is equal to 4. Okay, so like this. Okay, 6. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. So 2 and 4. Okay, so these are the values of the x and y coordinates for the first given linear equation. Now we'll find the values for the second, and finally we'll draw the graph. Okay, and we'll get the solution. Okay, now come to the second, x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so we have to just consider the values. Okay, so first x minus y is equal to 4. Let you consider any value. Okay, so I'm considering y. Okay, y is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to 4. You have to consider that type of values which will give you the minimum values, minimum whole numbers, so it will be easily possible to just draw the graph of all that values. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 minus 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay, so if x and y, so I have just considered minus 2 for y, so I get plus 2 for x. So 2 minus 2. Okay, first. Second, let x is equal to, no, not, I am not going to consider x, I am considering y only. I am negative values, minus 1. Therefore x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x plus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 minus 1. Therefore x is equal to 3. Okay, so minus 1, 3. Okay, 3 minus 1. Okay, like this. Now consider more values. Let x is equal to, y is equal to minus 3. So it is not taken. So x minus 3 is equal to 4. So x plus 3 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 3. So x is equal to 1. Okay, so minus 3, 1 and minus 3. Okay, like this. And now let take one more value. Let x y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so x minus 4 is equal to 4. So x plus 4 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 4. So x is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way we have to just first find out the values, and we have to just put that values in the given table, and finally we have to draw this table. Okay, minus 4, 0. Okay, 0 and minus 4. Okay, so in this way first you calculate the values, and that value should be the minimum values to draw the graph. Okay, so this is the solution I have just taken. I have just get by the solving these two equations by just keeping some values for x and y, and now I am going to draw the graph. आपको भी इसी तरह से फर्स्ट वैल्यूज को फाइंड आउट करना है. आपके दिल से जो आपको सही लग रही वैल्यू हो आप कंसीडर करो. एक्स या वाई के लिए आपको जो भी वैल्यू मिलेगी एक्स वाई के लिए, उन सारे वैल्यूज़ का टेबल बना दो और फाइनली उसके लिए ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो. And that two lines will intersect at a particular point. That point just indicates two values, x coordinate and y coordinates. That will be the solution of the given equation. Okay, after the getting all these coordinates, you have to draw the graph like this. Okay, ये देखो मैंने एक ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया. हर एक पॉइंट को मैंने यहाँ पे लिया. देखो 3 3 4 2 5 1 4 2. Okay, these all points are there. Okay, आप चेक कर सकते हैं फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपका एक्स का रहता है, एक्स एक्सिस का, सेकेंड रहता है वाई एक्सिस का। ओके, तो मैंने एक्सिस का नाम भी नहीं दिया तो मैं दे देता हूँ, ये गलती से मेरे से रह गया, एक्स बार एक्स, दिस इज एक्स एंड वाई एंड this is a y bar. Okay, now see that, so first you draw these all points, okay, and draw a straight line. Okay, first thing for the first equation, this is for first equation. For the second equation similarly I have taken all these points. First point belongs to x coordinate, x axis, and second point belongs to y axis. Don't forget this thing, x and y. Okay, don't make any confusion, x and y. Okay, so first will be x and second will be y. Okay, and then draw the graph, and when that lines intersect at a single point, दोनों भी लाइन क्या करेंगे, एक पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, जहाँ पे वो दोनों इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं वो पॉइंट को बोलते हैं हम लोग सोल्यूशन। तो आप देख सकते हैं 1 एंड दिस 5। ओके, सो सोल्यूशन आपका जो है यहाँ पे मैं लिख देता हूँ, सोल्यूशन जो आपका है 5 एंड 1। ओके, so this is solution of the given equation. Therefore solution okay, x comma y is equal to, okay, what is this, 5 comma 1. Okay, so this is the solution for the given two linear equation by graphical method. Okay, एक बहुत ही easy method है, ये थोड़ा लेंथी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, ये जब मैं बोर्ड पे दिखा तो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है, लेकिन आपको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं जाएगा, बट यू डोंट डू एनी मिस्टेक व्हेन यू जस्ट डू द कैलकुलेशन फॉर द एक्स एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट. ओके, दिस इज वेरी IMP थिंग. Whenever you do the calculation, you do the perfect calculation, so you'll get the perfect values, and that values you have to just place here in the form of x and y coordinate, and just you have to draw the straight line for the given values, and finally whatever the graph is there and the lines intersecting at a single point, that point represent the solution for the given two equations by the graphical method. Okay, so 5 and 1, this is the solution for the first linear equation by graphical method. Second equation, now we are going to solve second equation. ओके, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सेकंड इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, फर्स्ट वैल्यूज का टेबल बना लेंगे फटाफट, और बाद में उसको क्या करेंगे, ग्राफिकल मेथड में ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, इसके लिए फर्स्ट हम लोग ये करते हैं, x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5. ओके, तो मैं एक एक वैल्यूज कंसीडर करता हूँ, x इज इक्वल टू 1 कंसीडर करता हूँ. चलो, देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, therefore y is equal to 5 minus 1, therefore y is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, 1 4. Okay, first. सेकेंड, ओके, सेकेंड कंसिडर करते हैं, सेकेंड मान लेता हूँ x इज इक्वल टू 2. चलो फटाफट करते हैं, x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, देयरफॉर 2 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 2, देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, आपको भी जो भी वैल्यूज आपको सही लगे कंसिडर करो, लेकिन वो छोटी होनी चाहिए, ताकि आप जो इक्वेशन ड्रॉ कर रहे हो उसको आपको ग्राफिकल मेथड में ड्रॉ करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत नहीं आए. ओके, थर्ड में कंसिडर करता हूँ. चलो, थर्ड, x इज इक्वल टू 3, देयरफॉर x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, देयरफॉर 3 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू 5 माइनस 3, देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू 2. ओके, so this 3 and 2. Okay, 3 and 2. Okay, this is 3 comma 2. Now I will consider last value, x is equal to 4. Okay, therefore x plus y is equal to 5, therefore 4 plus y is equal to 5, therefore y is equal to 5 minus 4, therefore y is equal to 1. Okay, so 4 and 1. Okay, like this, 4 and 1, 4 1. Okay, so just you do the calculation like this, you'll get easily the values for the both x and y coordinates. Come to the second equation, this is for second, x minus y is equal to 3. Okay, so let's consider that minus y is equal to x, y is equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore x minus 1 is equal to 3, therefore x plus 1 is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 3 minus 1, therefore x is equal to 2. Okay, so 2 and this is minus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, don't do any confusion, I have considered y value. Okay, so y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so x minus minus 2 is equal to 3, x plus 2 is equal to 3, therefore x is equal to 3 minus 2, therefore x is equal to 1. Okay, so minus 2, 1. Okay, 1 and minus 2, 1 minus 2. Okay, Now consider y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Therefore x minus minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore x plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 0. Okay, y is equal to minus 3. Okay, x is equal to 0. So 0 minus 3. Okay, 0 minus 3. Okay, this is third. And fourth value I will consider a fourth. Okay, y is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 0 is 3. Therefore x, then this is plus 0 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. Okay, so y is 0, x is 3. Okay, 3 0. Okay, so first make the table like this values table. Okay, it is very easy. Just do proper calculation and find out the values for x and y coordinates. We have got all the values. Now we are going to draw the graph for these values. Okay, so after getting all the coordinates x and y, just draw the graph like this scale. You have to take 1 centimeter is 1 unit on both the axes. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Just plot the points and draw the two straight line. The point of intersection of both of the lines is the solution for the given. Okay, so I have drawn all these points. You can check this point, these points here on the graph. Okay, so you have to do this. So solution is what? See that the point of intersection, this point is intersection. So 4 1. Okay, so this is your solution. Okay, so solution for given equation, given linear equation. Okay, x comma y is equal to 4 comma 1. Okay, so this is your solution for this second equations. Okay, two linear equations. This is solution. So in this way you have to draw the graph, and now we are going to solve the third problem. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, थर्ड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. उसके लिए मेरे पास x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0 टू x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 9, एंड उसके लिए मैंने सारे के सारे वैल्यूज यहाँ कैलकुलेट करके रख दिए. ओके, सो यू नो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यूज राइट नाउ. ओके, सो जस्ट पुट x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0, x इज इक्वल टू 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 0. So you will get this is the values table for x and y coordinate 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, because plus will minus, plus will minus, plus will minus. Okay, in the first category. Then second 2x minus y is equal to 9. This is यहाँ पे थोड़ा सोचने की चीज़ है. मेरे पास 9 है, it is a odd number. So minus y is given, so you take minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 like this values. Okay, so you'll get plus x values 4 3 and 2 like this. Do the proper calculation for this, because this is the ऑड नंबर. अगर आपके पास रहता है माइनस, अगर रहता है तो माइनस ही वैल्यू ले लो, ताकि आपको छोटे छोटे वैल्यूज आएंगे जो आप ग्राफ के ऊपर अच्छी तरह से ड्रा कर सकते हो. ओके, सो जस्ट पुट दिस y इज इक्वल टू minus 1, so do the calculation. So 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4, minus 3 put here 3. Okay, 9 minus 3 6, 2x is equal to 6 3. Okay, minus 5 put here, x is equal to 2, and lastly I have taken x is equal to 4, not y. Okay, so you will get y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so take the values in such a way that so the given values or the values after the calculation will be small values, whole numbers, and that can be easily drawn on the graph paper. So you will get the identical or very accurate solution for the given two linear equations. Okay, so these are the values. Please check these values and try to just do the calculations. And now we are going to do draw the graph of these values on the graph paper. Okay, okay, so we'll just see the graph of these values. Okay, there is a repetition of one of the value, don't worry, there is no problem. We can take 3 maximum pairs of the x and y coordinates, then also we'll get the solution. Okay, so now see, these are the two lines I have drawn, 0 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 minus 2. These are all of the values are here. This 4 and minus 1, then the 3 and minus 3 and 2 and minus 5. Okay, so now these two lines intersect at 3 minus 3. Okay, तो solution आएगा इसका, solution x y is equal to 3 minus 3. Okay, because x is the first coordinate and y is the second coordinate. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, so in this way you have to draw the graph. Okay, so if I am going to do each and everything, it will take very long time to solve all this examples. Okay, so we'll solve some in fast way. Okay, I will show you how to do the calculation, how to find out the x and y coordinates, and directly how to draw the graph. Okay, so third question we have solved. Now we will solve the fourth question. Okay, we'll solve the fourth problem, in which I have taken only 3 x and y coordinates. Okay, 3 x and y coordinates. I have did the calculation. Okay, the calculation is here. You can see that. Okay, all calculation. So 1 1 minus 5 2 and 4 1 minus 1 2 1 0 minus 3. Okay, these are the values after the calculation of x and y coordinates. We have to use all these values. Okay, you just check it all these values very carefully, so you will understood this. Okay, now see that 3x minus y is equal to 1, so 3x minus 1 is equal to 2, so 1 will be plus 3. Okay, 3x is equal to 3, x is equal to y is equal to minus 5, then 3x minus 5 minus 5. Okay, so minus minus plus plus. Okay, so it will be minus 3x is equal to minus 3, so x is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1 minus 5. Okay, 2 x is equal to, so put here 3 and 2, it will be 6, minus y is equal to, so that will be minus y is equal to minus 4, it is plus 4. Okay, so now see here 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus plus, it will be minus, so 2x is equal to x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, 2x minus y is equal to 3, so it will be plus, so it will be 4, 2x, okay, is equal to 4, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3, put the minus 3 here, so you will get 2x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. Okay, so these are the values. Now we are going to use these values and we are going to plot the graph to find out the solution for given two linear equations. Okay, so see here we have drawn the graph finally. Okay, of these lines are not exactly straight, but this is the not exact measurement, so please consider. Okay, now see these are the values. I have taken only three values and I have just placed that values here and I have drawn this graph. Okay, so now you see that both of the lines intersect at minus 1 and minus 5. So the solution of the given two linear equation, solution x comma y is equal to minus 1 minus 5. Okay, so this is the final solution of the two linear equations by the graphical method. This is the fourth problem. You please check this problem very carefully, and this is very easy. Actually on the graph paper it is very easy to draw. Okay, so this is the fourth problem, and now we are going to draw, or now we are going to solve fifth problem. Okay, so we'll learn about the fifth problem. In this problem, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, so I have derived these values. Okay, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7, y is equal to 1, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, it will be plus, minus 3, 3x is equal to minus 3, minus 1. Okay, minus 1 1. Okay, x is equal to 3, 3 3 9, 9 will be minus, so this minus 7 minus 9 minus 16 minus 4. Okay, y is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and then minus 3. Okay, minus 9, it will be plus, here I will get 2 minus 4y. Okay, it is minus 0.5. Okay, now in this case we are getting values in point also. Okay, and now we have to take that values because there is no another option. Okay, 5x minus 2y, y is equal to 5, so I will get x is equal to then 0 and 0. Okay, this is one of the pair, then x is equal to 1, 5 into 1 minus 2y, so this will be minus, सो 5/2 ओके. सो ये वैल्यूज मैंने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट कर लिए. अभी हम लोग इसका क्या करेंगे, ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे. I have taken only 3 values because with 3 values also we can get the solution. Okay, so it is very easy. This is the fifth problem, and then we'll solve the last sixth problem, then we'll complete this practice set. Okay, so if we draw the graph, we'll get this type of graph for question number 5. Okay, and this is point where these two lines have intersected, 1 and 2.5. Okay, so solution will be x comma y 1 comma 2.5. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this. It is very easy. Just draw the proper graph and proper lines. Okay, in this case, but you have to take the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 unit on both the axes. Okay, so you'll get like this graph. Okay, and this point 1 and 2.5 will be the solution for the given two lines. Okay, so in this way you have to draw this. This is the question number 5, and now we are going to solve question number 6 and last question of this practice set. Okay, this is the last problem and I have calculated the values. Only three values. See that 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. It is star mark problem, means it is HOTS. Okay, high order thinking skills problem. Okay, but it is very easy, don't take tension. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. First I have taken 2x minus 3 into 2, 6, minus 6 will be plus, x is equal to 5. So 5 2. Then minus 2 I have taken this minus plus, it will be minus, so 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 minus 2 and y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Okay, you take this and make this. Okay, then 3y minus x is equal to 0. Don't change the equation, keep as it is. 3y minus x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 1, it will be plus, and now this will be minus. 3y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, minus 1 1. Okay, then x is equal to, so minus 2 will be plus 6, y is equal to 2. Okay, and then y is equal to 0, 3 0, it is 0 minus x, so x is equal to minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 0. Okay, so these are the values we have just calculated, okay, by the using the given equations. And now we are going to plot the last graph for the last question from this practice set. Okay, the last graph of the last question is like this. Okay, it is going this side. Okay, 8 4 is the correct solution for this graph, but there is limited space, so I cannot solve all the problems because ऑलरेडी मैंने क्या किया, थोड़ा लंबा लंबा ये पॉइंट्स ले लिए, इसलिए मैं नहीं दिखा सकता. लेकिन 8 4 उसका सोल्यूशन है और ये लाइन स्ट्रेट आती है इस तरह से. ओके, तो ये आपको लास्ट प्रॉब्लम के लिए सॉल्यूशन निकालना है. आपके ग्राफ पेपर पे आपको इजीली ये ड्रॉ करना पॉसिबल है. और ग्राफ जो रहेगा आपका इसी फॉर्मेट में रहेगा. दिस इज द एक्चुअल पॉइंट्स. ओनली यू कैन टेक थ्री coordinates of x and y, and then also you can draw the graph in a proper way on your graph paper. Okay, so this is the last question and here this practice set is completed. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about Kramer's rule and the practice set 1.3, and then one by one we will complete all the practice sets, and finally we will complete this lesson. And also I'm going to upload the videos for the similarity lesson for the geometry first, okay, lesson. So in this way I will try to complete your syllabus as early as possible. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon button so you will get the notification of upcoming videos on time. And thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.